Hi everyone, this is Abdul from Pythonist. Let's start exploring the TensorFlow framework. From this video, we are going to dive deeper into the TensorFlow framework. So let's get started. TensorFlow is an end-to-end open source platform for developing and deploying machine learning models. We can call it the complete machine learning ecosystem. A great thing about TensorFlow is that it doesn't matter whether you're a beginner or an expert. TensorFlow will help you build your own machine learning models with ease. In TensorFlow, you can define your own neural network architectures, experiment with them, train them, and finally deploy them on the production servers. Not only this, a fully trained model can be deployed on mobiles, on embedded devices, and also on the web with JavaScript support. But here is an important question you may have in your mind. Why TensorFlow? Well, we have several other machine learning development libraries like Keras, Theano, and PyTorch. According to the surveys, TensorFlow is the winner among all the deep learning frameworks surveyed since 2018 to now. It has a big community and is backed by Google. So you have made the right decision in learning and using TensorFlow 2 for your deep learning applications development. I just wanted to give you a short intro for our upcoming videos about TensorFlow. So that's it for now. Let's meet in the next video and start exploring TensorFlow 2. If you enjoyed the content, thumbs up, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you will never miss any fantastic video in the future. Thanks for watching.